Imagine a world where the very words you choose can unlock the deepest secrets of artificial intelligence, transforming a mere conversation into a symphony of understanding. The key? Mastering the art of prompt engineering. It's a world where the right phrase can make the difference between a dull, robotic response and a vibrant, enlightening dialogue with ChatGPT. But how does one wield such power? The secret lies in a delicate dance between precision and creativity, shaping the AI's answers in ways you never imagined possible. To understand why prompt engineering is so vital, let's peel back the curtain on how AI language models like ChatGPT operate. Think of the AI as an orchestra. Each instrument, each potential response, is waiting for a conductor to bring the symphony to life. The prompts are your baton. The way you wield it determines whether the orchestra plays a harmonious melody or a disjointed cacophony. It's not just about asking questions, it's about asking the right questions in the right way. Consider this: you're in the middle of a dense forest and you have a map, but it's in a language you don't quite understand. Your task is to communicate with a guide who speaks this language fluently. The more accurate and clear your instructions, the better the guide can help you navigate to your desired destination. In this analogy, the forest is a vast sea of information, the map is your prompt, and the guide is ChatGPT. The clarity and precision of your prompts can steer the conversation through the thicket of responses to reveal the path you seek. Moving deeper into advanced techniques, the art of crafting effective prompts is akin to being a skilled locksmith. Each word and phrase is a unique key that can unlock different facets of AI potential. One such technique involves temperature control, a setting that adjusts the randomness of ChatGPT's responses. Imagine standing in front of two doors. Behind one is a predictable, straightforward answer. Behind the other, an imaginative, unpredictable response. Temperature control allows you to choose which door to open, guiding the AI towards either creativity or caution. Another technique is shaping questions to guide the AI's perspective. Suppose you're an archaeologist on the cusp of a groundbreaking discovery. To uncover history's secrets, you must ask the right questions. Similarly, when engaging with ChatGPT, the specificity of your prompts can lead the AI to unearth the nuanced information you desire. Instead of asking, "Tell me about history," you might say, "Describe the daily life of an ancient Egyptian farmer." The latter not only narrows the focus but also enriches the dialogue with vivid imagery. Real-world examples abound where prompt refinement has led to superior AI responses. In the realm of customer service, for instance, companies craft precise prompts to ensure ChatGPT delivers consistent, helpful answers to customer queries. Picture an online shopping assistant working tirelessly to help customers find the perfect product. A well-engineered prompt might ask, "What are the top features most buyers look for in a laptop?" This not only streamlines the AI's focus but also aligns the responses with what matters most to the consumer. In creative writing, authors leverage prompts as muses, coaxing ChatGPT into generating fresh ideas or resolving plot dilemmas. Imagine a novelist facing writer's block, turning to ChatGPT for inspiration. By crafting a prompt like, "Imagine a world where time flows backwards. How might this affect daily life?" the writer unlocks a realm of possibilities, sparking creativity and innovative storytelling. Yet, the journey of prompt engineering is not without its challenges. Crafting effective prompts requires both art and science, intuition and logic. It demands an understanding of context, a sensitivity to language, and a knack for anticipating how the AI might interpret various cues. In this dance of communication, you are both the artist and the scientist, blending creativity with analytical precision to coax the best possible responses from ChatGPT. As we explore further, a natural question arises: how can we align AI output with specific objectives through strategic prompts? Picture a master painter standing before a blank canvas. With each brushstroke, the artist must decide on the colors, textures, and forms that will bring the vision to life. Similarly, when crafting prompts, the objective is the masterpiece you're striving to create. Whether your goal is to educate, entertain, or inform, the prompts you use are the brushstrokes that shape the final picture. In business, teams use strategic prompts to direct AI tools in performing tasks such as market analysis, trend forecasting, and even crafting marketing messages. Suppose a marketing team wants to understand emerging consumer trends. They might frame a prompt like, "Identify key shifts in consumer behavior since the onset of digital age," guiding ChatGPT for insights that are not only relevant but actionable. The world of prompt engineering is a realm where the power of language meets the potential of technology. It is a landscape where every word counts, where the right question can open doors to new insights, and where the mastery of prompts can unlock the full potential of AI. As we continue this exploration, we'll gain insights from experts, uncovering best practices and common pitfalls, laying the foundation for mastering these advanced techniques. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of prompt engineering, consider the challenge of aligning AI output with specific objectives. This is where the magic of strategic prompts comes into full play. Imagine a sculptor chiseling away at a marble block. Each strike of the chisel is purposeful, with the artist envisioning not just the form but also the emotion and impact the sculpture will convey. Similarly, crafting strategic prompts involves a deliberate focus on the final goal. It's not just about what you want the eye to say, but how you want it to resonate with the intended audience, whether it's a business client, a student, or a creative collaborator. Consider the case of a healthcare provider aiming to use AI to assist in patient education. The goal is to empower patients with accurate and easily understandable health information. A blunt prompt like "explain diabetes" might yield a generic response, but a strategically crafted prompt such as "explain diabetes to a teenager newly diagnosed with the condition, focusing on lifestyle changes" can elicit a more tailored, empathetic response that speaks directly to the needs of the audience. This is the art of aligning eye with human intention, a delicate interplay that requires not only technical acumen, but also a deep understanding of the human condition. But how do we ensure that our prompts consistently hit the mark? This is where insights from experts in the field become invaluable. Let's dive into the best practices and common pitfalls of prompt engineering, drawing from seasoned professionals who have honed their skills in this burgeoning field. One key piece of advice from experts is the importance of iteration. Just like a scientist conducting experiments, prompt engineers must be willing to test, refine, and optimize their prompts through a process of trial and error. A real-world example comes from the world of journalism, where reporters use AI to generate summaries of complex news stories. They've found that starting with broader prompts and then progressively narrowing them down allows them to pinpoint the AI's strengths and weaknesses, leading to more precise and impactful content. Another crucial insight is the significance of context. Imagine an actor stepping onto the stage without knowing the setting or the tone of the scene. The performance is likely to fall flat. In the same way, providing ChatGPT with clear context, whether through detailed prompts or supplementary information, can dramatically enhance the relevance and quality of its responses. For instance, a product development team might begin with a simple prompt like, "generate ideas for a new kitchen appliance." However, by adding context, focus on eco-friendly materials and time-saving features for busy professionals, the AI can deliver more innovative and applicable suggestions. Yet, the road to mastering prompt engineering is fraught with pitfalls. A common mistake is overloading prompts with too much information or asking overly complex questions. This can confuse the eye, leading to muddled responses. The lesson here is to strike a balance, ensuring prompts are clear, concise, and focused, much like a well-crafted thesis statement that guides the reader through an essay. As we navigate this intricate landscape, a powerful revelation emerges. The true potential of ChatGPT lies not just in its ability to generate text, but in its adaptability and responsiveness to human guidance. This adaptability is akin to a seasoned jazz musician who can improvise masterfully when given the right cues. When prompts are crafted with both foresight and flexibility, they empower ChatGPT to transcend its initial programming, offering responses that are not only accurate but also insightful and engaging. The culmination of our journey through these advanced techniques brings us back full circle to the essence of communication and creativity. By mastering the art of prompt engineering, we unlock not only the full potential of ChatGPT, but also a deeper understanding of our own communicative abilities. It's a collaboration where human ingenuity and artificial intelligence dance in harmony, each enhancing the capabilities of the other. This exploration of advanced prompt engineering techniques leaves us with a profound reflection. In a world increasingly shaped by technology, the power of language remains paramount. Words are more than just tools for conveying information. They are keys that unlock the doors of possibility, bridging the gap between human aspiration and technological innovation. As we continue to harness the potential of AI, let us remember the importance of creativity, clarity, and precision in our interactions. These are the brushstrokes of our modern digital canvases, painting a future rich with potential and discovery. If this journey into the depths of AI and language has sparked your curiosity, consider subscribing to our channel. Together, we'll continue to explore the fascinating intersection of technology and creativity, uncovering the limitless possibilities that lie ahead.